Goeiemôre graad 10, ons is nog steeds besig om in 3 rad te ry and we are continuing driving in reverse, so let's quickly look at some more calculator work. Ons gaan sakrekenaarwerk weer verder voer, kom ons gaan kyk net gou-gou na 4 voorbeelde van sakrekenaarwerk in 3 rad. Before you can put your calculator in reverse mode using your second function, there is things that we must remove that's not part of the reverse action. So as ons gaan kyk na hierdie uitdrukking, dan sien ons, ek het sin, hoek, value, but there's a 2 in front that must be removed. Alle los goed moet eers verwyder word voordat ek my sakrekenaar in 3 rad kan sit. All loose things must firstly be removed before I can put my calculator in second function. So I'm going to divide with 2 on both sides. If I divide with 2 there, it equals 1. And if I divide with 2 there, my answer is 0,562. So I got rid of the 2 mathematically by dividing with 2 on both sides. Nou is ek gereed om my sakrekenaar in 3 rad te sit. Daar sit ek om in 3 rad. Ek sleutel my verhouding in. And the answer I'm getting there must be 34,2 degrees. Ek rond nog steeds net 1 plek af, want dis vir my gevra. Round only 1 decimal place. So therefore, the answer of theta equals 34,2 degrees. Kom ons gaan kyk na voorbeeld 2. What's very important here, grade 10, is this one is ready for reverse mode. Why? That 2 over there is not loose like the 1 over there. Kan julle die verskil sien tussen die 2 dae en die 2 dae? Daardie 2 word deur die sin en die hoek theta vasgedruk. It's part of the angle. You can't get rid of that. If you try to get rid of it, it's a bloody story. If you get rid of that too, it's like ripping someone's arm off and hitting him with the bloody side through the face. It's violence titty. Jy mag dit glad nie doen nie. Jy kan nie daai 2 dae uitpluk nie. Dis soos om iemand se arm af te pluk en hom met die bloedkant deur die gesig te slaan. Dit is verskriklike geweld. We can't do that. Okay, so we leave it like that. We put our calculator immediately in reverse mode of 0,435, and we get the answer there, and the answer is going to be 25, and now you're not allowed to round. 78529, 78529, and you're not allowed to round. Write out the whole answer. Skryf die hele ding uit, want jy het nou vir 2 theta uitgewerk. Remember, you've calculated 2 thetas. So 2 thetas equal 25,78529. Write out the whole thing. So to get the theta, om die hoek theta alleen te kry, moet ek gaan deel met 2 aan albei kante. I'm going to divide there with 2, then I get theta, and only when I divide this with 2, I may round 1 decimal place because that's asked. So my final answer will be 12,9 degrees. 12,9 grade. Ek het met 2 aan albei kante gedeel en onthou, ek gebruik dan die hele hoek 2 theta en deel eers aan die einde met 2. Anders is dit 'n bloederige storie. Let's go to the next one. Let's check what's loose. Dis 'n los ding want hy's vooraan, but this guy, danger, is fastened there, that too. Hy is vas daar. Ek mag hom nie uithaal nie. So I'm going to divide with a half over there and with a half over there om van die 2 ontslae te raak. So ek het die tan van 2x, mag nie aan daai 2 raak nie. If I divide 3 by a half, I multiply the 3 with the reciprocal. Ek maal hom met die omgekeerde en dit gee vir my 6. Now I'm going to put my calculator in reverse mode of 6, and that's going to give me 80,537 and 537 wara, and you must write out the whole answer because that's the answer of 2x. 80,537 doekie. So I'm going to divide with 2 on both sides, and if I do that, I can round my 1 decimal place to get the answer as 40,3 degrees. Okay, let's look at this guy. Wat is los hierso? Kom juffrou onderstreepie los goed vir jou. Daai ou is baie los, want hy hang sommer hier aan die kant los rond. Hierdie ouetjie is bietjie vaster, maar hy's ook los, ek kan van hom ontslaa raak, so kom ons gaan doen dit eers. I'm taking the most loose thing to the other side of the equals to. A plus 1 becomes a minus 1. So ek gaan hom oor die is gelyk aan vat en dan word hy minus 1. So dis 2,356 minus 1 gee vir my 1,356. Now I'm going to get rid of the 2 by dividing with 2 on both sides. So now I've got things that's very fastened. Can't get rid of that. It's attached to the cosinus. Hy's vas, dis die hoek. X plus 10 grade, alles in hakies is een ding. So ek gaan nou net hierdie uitskryf as 4, juffrou sien, 1,356 gedeel deur 2 gee vir my 0,678. Deel hom deur 2. En nou gaan ek gaan my sakrekenaar in Trig sit. I'm putting it in reverse mode of 0,678 and I write out the whole answer without rounding. 47,3124, 47,3124, wara. Write out the whole answer because that's now x plus 10. X plus 10 degrees equals 3124 en as ek nou vir x alleen wil kry, dan vat ek die plus 10 oor die is gelyk aan, dan word hy minus 10, so daarom is x gelyk aan 37, and now I'm allowed to round 1 place, 3 degrees. 37,3 degrees, 37,3 grade, een plek afgerond. What's important here, grade 10s, is to remember what's loose things and what's things that may not be removed until the end of your sum. Baie belangrik, ons moet weet wat mag ons wegvat voor die tyd, en wat mag ons nie wegvat voor die tyd nie, wat moet bly tot aan die einde. Okay, kom ons gaan kyk hierdie video 'n paar maal oor. Make sure that you can do the exercises that's on your homework group. Sien julle môre.